Hello guys, yung bagong gising ka, tapos sabihin tatakbo na daw kami. Kaya hayan, ready? Hi! We are here! Parachute sila guys. So, yan, kumukuha ng coverage. Ayan. Sunod-sunod sila. Ayan, dito kami ni my friend. Naglalakad. Hi, my friend.
So,
are you ready?
you ready?
Are you ready din daw, guys? Mahangin. See? Bye. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, Dubai. My friend. Ready na si my friend to run. Dito kami ngayon guys sa may starting point area. Ayan, nagantay na lang kami ng signal going to Dubai Mall. Yan si my friend guys. Oh. My friend, say hi! Hello, hi! Ayan, tumakbo siya guys, takbo lakad.
രണ്ട് പുള്ളി കിരിക്കുക
Yan ang 10 kilometers. Ito yung 5 kilometers guys. Dito kami sa taas ang 5. Ayan. Ang dami pa. Nandun pa sa babang iba. Dumadating na doon sa Dubai. Video.
pero wala na, lobot na isa
Ating my friend, how many kilometers we've finished already? 3? 4 na?
1 more kilometer
1 more kilometers pa guys. Medyo mababa pa kami oh. Water slide. Guys, imagine, nakarating kami dito sa Dubai Mall na naglakad lang. Ayan o, dami. My friend, keep moving. Keep moving. Ayan na. Guys, saan kami ni my friend? My friend, ilang kilometer tayo tumakbo? Ha? Naka 5 na tayo? Oh, more than. Ito kami ngayon guys sa may Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall. Lakad na kami guys kasi ang daming tao. Ayan o. Sa likod namin marami. Sagot. Tatanong ka ng advice, ikaw na lang hindi advice. Ikaw lang isa sagot. That's my friend. picture ng dalawa. So, ayun pa sila, na... My friend, congrats! You finished the 5 kilometers. Dami namin, guys. Yan, guys. Finishing line here. The Dubai Run. Okay. Guys, nautosan pa si my friend mag-picture. Ayan.
Solo-solo niya eh. Hindi mo tatapos yun.
Ayan, dito kami ngayon sa picturean area. Ang dami pa, guys. Ayan. Guys, yan ang matindi. Magating kainan. Ayan, pasok na kami sa mall, guys. Kasi grabe na ang pagod at saka gutom. Ayan kami, guys. Ayan si my friend. May mga picture kami ditong souvenir para sa 5 at saka 10 kilometers. Ayan kami. Nag-aantay kami ng signal dito, guys, to run. Nasa starting point kami, going to Dubai Mall. Nakarating kami sa Dubai Mall, guys, as in pagod kami at saka gutom. Kaya ayan, kumain kami kasi may 30% discount ito si my friend. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye.
Just click the button. Huwag niyong kakalimutan. Subscribe.
Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe and likes and watch our another videos. So, stay tuned. Follow us, guys. See ya next time.
Bye.
God bless. Bye.